Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. Today, I'd like to show you how you can create a lead management rule for an incoming lead. So, if a lead comes into your command database from an outside source, there's a way that you can create a rule that will help command auto apply a tag to that lead and or also automatically add them to a smart plan. Let me show you where they are. You would click on your name in the top right of command and choose settings. Go to command settings on the left, contacts, and then lead management. Now we're under a solo agent's account. If you want to set this up for your team, you would need to toggle over to your team account here, and your ability to create and edit these will be based on your team permissions. So if you're not seeing the ability to create these lead management rules for your team, please reach out to your Rainmaker first to check on those team permissions. Right here, you can come and create a rule. You would first enter the rule title. For this, we're going to create a demonstration rule that would automatically add any new lead to a smart plan that we've already set up, a custom smart plan that has an email step that will go out immediately. The email will be sent to the new lead. And in that email, it's just a short introduction of who the agent is and giving them the KW app link so that that new lead can go ahead and get started on their search. So we've named the rule. Next, you would choose your lead source. You can choose from any of these listed within the drop-down menu. If you want it to be for any lead that comes from any lead source, you can select all here on the top right. Next, choose if you want an auto tag to be applied or it to be assigned to a specific smart plan. You can choose one or the other or both. So for us, we'll go ahead and say we want the tag added hot lead and then also to be added to one of our smart plans. So we'll just choose our test smart plan here and create rule. This is how you would set up a lead management rule. Little disclaimer, just make sure that you don't have the same source listed on multiple rules. If you do, just be mindful that if you have them starting on multiple different smart plans, there is the chance that they could be receiving multiple emails a day or multiple text messages, and you don't want to spam your new leads. So while the system will not add a same the same tag twice to a contact, and it will not add the contact to the same smart plan twice, you can set it up to where it would be added, the lead would be added to multiple smart plans at the same time. So just be mindful of setting those up. If you have any questions at all about how to create these lead management rules, you can always reach out to us via email. And our email address is support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.